Greetings and welcome to the About My Brain Institute podcast, exploring the inspiring realm of the spirit animals oracle cards. In this episode, join us as we delve into the fascinating world of the Quetzal spirit animal, renowned for freedom, abundance, and harmony. Part 1. Discovering the Quetzal spirit. Amidst the ancient and mystical realms, the Quetzal emerges as a symbol of profound significance, embodying essential qualities of freedom, abundance, and the sacred. With its resplendent and iridescent feathers, the Quetzal becomes a bearer of spiritual medicine, guiding us on a transformative journey of connecting with the spiritual realm, embracing divine messages, and rediscovering the divine essence that resides within each individual. At the core of the Quetzal's symbolism lies the essence of freedom. As it soars through the boundless skies, the Quetzal exemplifies the purest form of liberation and unrestrained flight. The spiritual medicine of the Quetzal encourages us to break free from the chains that bind us, to release ourselves from self-imposed limitations, and to embrace the freedom that comes from embracing our true selves. By embodying the Quetzal's spirit of freedom, we can rise above restrictions, explore new horizons, and bask in the exhilarating liberation of living life, authentically and unapologetically. Revered by ancient civilizations, the Quetzal becomes a symbol of the divine and the sacred connections that intertwine with the fabric of existence. The spiritual medicine of the Quetzal urges us to tap into the sacred realm, to honor the divine presence that flows through all life, and to acknowledge the mystical synchronicities that guide our path. By embodying the Quetzal's spirit of connecting with the spiritual realm, we can experience profound insights, receive divine messages, and cultivate a profound sense of peace and harmony that comes from aligning with our spiritual essence. Part 2. Qualities of the Quetzal spirit. The Quetzal, a magnificent bird found in the cloud forests of Central America, possesses a combination of qualities that make it culturally significant and ecologically important. Its vibrant and iridescent plumage represents beauty and freedom, while its graceful flight and melodious calls evoke a sense of elegance and transcendence. Revered by ancient Mesoamerican civilizations, the Quetzal symbolizes divinity and nobility, and its feathers were valued in religious ceremonies. As a resident of lush cloud forests, the Quetzal plays a vital role in pollination and seed dispersal, making it an ecological ambassador for conservation. Its elusive nature adds a touch of mystery, inspiring us to explore our inner wisdom and connection to nature. Overall, the Quetzal's qualities of beauty, sacredness, ecological importance, and enigma make it a cherished symbol of the interconnectedness between nature and human culture. Part 3. Cultural and mythological significance of the Quetzal spirit. The Quetzal holds profound cultural and mythological significance, particularly in the ancient civilizations of Mesoamerica. Among the Maya and Aztec cultures, the Quetzal was considered a sacred and revered bird, often associated with gods and deities. Its resplendent plumage, especially the long iridescent green tail feathers, was believed to represent the connection between the earthly realm and the heavens, symbolizing the sacred Axis Mundi, or world tree. The Quetzal was linked to important deities like Quetzalcoatl, the feathered serpent god, and was seen as a messenger between the spiritual and material worlds. Its stunning feathers were highly valued, and the bird was often featured in religious ceremonies, royal headdresses, and regal attire, signifying power, wealth, and divine presence. The Quetzal's cultural significance persisted over the centuries, becoming a national symbol of countries like Guatemala, where it represents freedom, independence, and the country's rich heritage. Today, the Quetzal's cultural importance endures, fostering a sense of pride and admiration for the bird's beauty and its deep-rooted connection to Mesoamerican history and mythology. Part 4. A Quetzal in my dreams. Dreaming of a Quetzal can carry profound and multifaceted meanings, drawing from the rich cultural and mythological significance of this majestic bird. In Mesoamerican cultures, the Quetzal has been revered as a symbol of freedom, beauty, and divinity. As such, a dream featuring the Quetzal may signify a call to embrace one's own inner beauty and uniqueness, encouraging the dreamer to express their true self authentically and freely. The Quetzal's vibrant colors and its elusive nature could also represent hidden opportunities or desires that are yet to be fully realized. This dream might prompt the dreamer to reflect on their goals and aspirations, reminding them to approach life with patience and perseverance, as success and fulfillment may come in unexpected ways and require dedicated effort. Furthermore, the Quetzal's association with spirituality and higher ideals could suggest a need for spiritual exploration and inner growth, urging the dreamer to seek enlightenment and a deeper connection with the universe. Seeing a Quetzal in a dream could also serve as a reminder to cherish and protect nature, recognizing the ecological importance of preserving the Earth's biodiversity and the delicate balance of its ecosystems. Ultimately, the interpretation of a Quetzal dream is deeply personal and can be influenced by the dreamer's cultural background, beliefs, and life experiences, inviting them to explore the profound meanings hidden within their subconscious mind. Part 5. Habitat, Behaviors, and Ecological Importance of the Quetzal. Habitat. The Quetzal is primarily found in the lush and biodiverse cloud forests of Central America, which span across countries like Guatemala, Costa Rica, Panama, and parts of Mexico, Honduras, and Nicaragua. These cloud forests are characterized by their high-altitude locations, typically situated between 1,500 to 3,000 meters, 4,900 to 9,800 feet, above sea level. The Quetzal prefers habitats with a mix of evergreen and oak trees, where dense foliage provides ample cover for nesting and protection. The cool and misty environment of the cloud forests creates the ideal conditions for the growth of various plants, including epiphytes and mosses, which serve as vital food sources for the Quetzal. Additionally, these forests are rich in diverse plant and insect life, supporting a thriving ecosystem and making them essential habitats for the survival and conservation of the magnificent Quetzal species. Behaviors. Courtship display. During the breeding season, male Quetzals engage in elaborate courtship displays to attract females. They exhibit acrobatic flight patterns, flashing their vibrant plumage and long tail feathers in a mesmerizing dance. Nesting and incubation. Quetzals construct their nests in tree hollows or decaying trunks, where the female lays 2 to 4 eggs. Both parents take turns incubating the eggs and caring for the hatchlings once they emerge. Feeding habits. Quetzals primarily feed on fruits, berries, insects, and small vertebrates like lizards and frogs. They are essential seed dispersers in their habitat, aiding in forest regeneration by spreading seeds through their droppings. Solitary behavior. Quetzals are often solitary creatures, preferring to live and forage alone. They occupy large territories and can be elusive due to their preference for dense forest cover. Migratory patterns. Some Quetzal populations exhibit seasonal migrations, moving to different elevations within their mountainous habitats in search of food and nesting sites. These migratory patterns are influenced by weather conditions and the availability of resources. Ecological importance. The Quetzal holds significant ecological importance in the cloud forest of Central America. As a primary consumer of fruits and berries, the Quetzal plays a crucial role in seed dispersal. By consuming fruits and then depositing the seeds in their droppings across different areas of the forest, Quetzals aid in the regeneration and diversity of plant species. This process promotes forest health and contributes to maintaining a balanced ecosystem. The Quetzal's presence serves as an indicator of the cloud forest's overall health. Due to their specific habitat requirements, the presence of Quetzals indicates the presence of a well-preserved and biodiverse cloud forest ecosystem. Part 6. How the Quetzal contributes to scientific research. The Quetzal, an iridescent bird revered in Mesoamerican cultures, is a subject of interest in scientific research spanning various fields. With its vibrant plumage, the Quetzal provides evolutionary biologists with insights into the roles of sexual selection and camouflage in shaping bird coloration. Its unique vocalizations and behavior patterns have been studied to understand avian communication and mating rituals. As a keystone species in the cloud forests of Central America, the Quetzal's dietary preferences, notably its reliance on wild avocado, help ecologists understand seed dispersal mechanisms and forest regeneration processes. Due to its significance in ancient cultures, research on the quetzal also contributes to anthropological and historical studies. Protecting the threatened habitats of the quetzal has emphasized the importance of conservation efforts, as the bird's well-being is intricately linked to the health of the larger ecosystem. Part 7. Guided visualization to connect with the quetzal spirit. Find a quiet and peaceful space where you can relax without distractions. Close your eyes, take a few deep breaths, and allow yourself to enter a state of calmness. Imagine yourself standing in a lush, vibrant cloud forest surrounded by tall trees and a soft mist enveloping the air. As you explore this magical forest, you notice a flash of radiant colors dancing among the foliage. Following the enchanting sight, you come across a magnificent quetzal perched gracefully on a branch. Approach the quetzal with reverence and respect, acknowledging its divine presence and sacred energy. Feel a connection forming between your heart and the spirit of the quetzal, a bond that transcends time and space. Allow yourself to absorb the wisdom and beauty this majestic bird embodies. As you gaze into its mesmerizing eyes, you feel a sense of freedom, inspiration, and harmony flowing through you. The quetzal invites you to share in its essence, guiding you on a journey of inner transformation and self-discovery. Together, you soar through the treetops, feeling the wind beneath your wings, and experiencing a sense of liberation and empowerment. Embrace the quetzal's symbolism of freedom and beauty, allowing it to infuse your spirit with grace and elegance. As the journey comes to a close, thank the quetzal for its guidance and wisdom. Express your gratitude for the profound connection you've experienced. As you open your eyes, carry the essence of the quetzal's spirit with you, knowing that its energy will continue to inspire and uplift you on your life's path. Thanks for tuning in. This podcast was brought to you by the About My Brain Institute. For all the freshest updates and exclusive content, make sure to subscribe to our newsletter and give us a follow on our social channels.